Yeah, buddy, you see the car, that's car. They got out the shoulder roast. Yeah, good job. I don't know what happened. They stopped it. You know, I want to go. Ooh, you know, it's hard. You need to keep going. You know, it's very, very hard. Okay. Are you still driving and you do stupid? See, you broke it. No. Be careful and you hit a car. Oh, very nice car, man. Oh, you had nice car too. Baby, you see? The old man drive the car, you see? You see? Oh my God, it's her hair, man. Oh my God. Okay, to the broken post now. 5 minutes to the broken post. But busy. But busy. Busy and hot too. I'm busy and very hot too. Baby boy, you go slowly, you go out the roads, villas, before you go back to the roads. Please. Ooh, you see over there, it's the broken post busy. Yeah, see? I don't know what happened to busy early. Busy. Yes, right now it's 3:47 now. I'm busy. Man, we can go through. Okay.